Hey there mga my loves Gemini! Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading nito for you mga mahal, no reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na reading na to ay for you, then this reading might really for you. Just take only what resonates, okay? Lahat tayong gender dito and cross-watchers, welcome kayo at timeless din ito. Pwedeng nangyari na sa iba, pwede naman na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or in the present moment or hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. So let's go ahead and check out messages for you, Gemini. Spirit and Angel, guys, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Messages for Gemini, please. Gemini, meron ako nakikita ritong energy na nagdadalawang isip pero nagbabaka sakali. Pwedeng love, pwede rin naman na work-related or may desisyong gagawin. Gustong magbaka sakali kasi maaaring mamiss ng opportunity na ito. Pwedeng ikaw yun or someone connecting with you. Let's see. Okay. Pag naguguluhan kayo magdesisyon, lagi ninyo titingnan ng inyong intuition. Kasi kapag kayo nang sinunod ninyo, it can never be wrong. Okay? Kasi pag mind ang ginamit ninyo at ang heart, okay, dun talaga medyo magkakaroon ng kalituhan. Kahit saan yan mga babes, no? Intuition ang dapat ninyong gamitin. Okay? If you feel like there's something positive right here, then go ahead, do that. Okay? But if you're in doubt, okay, then wag mo munang isagawa or wag mo munang gawin. Okay. So, ilatag na natin ang energies natin dito for you guys. We have here the Six of Coins energy. The Hangman. Yeah. See, the energy here of getting stuck in an uncomfortable, okay, place or situation right now. See, there's this agam-agam kind of thing right here. Wait lang mga babes, no? Kasi nag-dim yung ilaw ng screen ko. Hindi ko makita. Baka nalalabuan na kayo dyan. Ayan, no? Okay, so, you also right here the Empress. Oh, wow. Okay, and we have here the King of Swords energy. Definitely a communication coming in. And there you go. We have here the Queen of Swords energy. Oh, a communication that might lead to confrontation. So, okay. So, we have here the Nine of Cups energy, the Chariot. Wow. You know what I'm getting right here? You could be seeing a lot of 777s, okay? It gives me this kind of message that whatever it is that you're manifesting, it's coming to fruition, Gemini, okay? You're moving towards here. See, look at that. The Chariot is the fastest energy in the tarot, and you're moving towards your Nine of Cups energy. See? Nakikita ko rito that there's a wish fulfillment coming in, and you're moving towards to it fast. And hindi na ako nanghihinayang na sabihin yun. Okay? It is because we have here the Empress energy. Okay? This is you. Papunta ka dyan. So, kung ano man yan na wish fulfillment mo, pwedeng may kinalaman yan sa money. Yeah. So, nakikita ko rito na merong magbibigay sa'yo rito ng oportunidad para mas lumago. Mas lumago yung money mo, or para sa iba, if you're not eyeing for money, maybe this is you seeking for healing. Kagalingan ng damdamin, kagalingan ng puso, no? Maybe because you feel heartbroken about something. But most likely, in general, for a lot of you, I'm getting na isa ito na oportunidad, no, para mas mag-grow ka. At ang maganda, no, ito ay magdadala sa'yo, no, papunta rito sa Empress energy. Napakaganda, no, kasi ang Empress energy, it's like this is you. You're gonna attract right here, okay, yung mga positive things lamang sa buhay mo. So, I'm seeing you right here that you are saying no to dramas, okay? So, whoever this individuals resonating here with me, okay, kilala nyo kung sino kayo, no? If you're in this positive energy or aura right now, then this reading is strongly para sa'yo. So, nakikita ko dito that with the Six of Coins energy, okay, I'm seeing someone here, okay, maririnig mo sa kanya yung good news or oportunidad pagdating sa pera. Pwedeng katrabaho, kapitbahay, or someone that you already know. That's the energy. Okay? So, kung sino man yan, pinagkakatiwalaan mo siya at igagrab mo yung pagkakataon na yan, no? At maganda yan, no? Na stepping stone kasi kung maunlad ka na at nararamdaman mo no, na papunta ka ng successful, then you're right because papunta ka na nga talaga no, sa pagiging successful at kung feeling successful ka na right now, no, mas mauunlad pa yan. So, yan, nakikita ko rito, no, and I'm seeing a communication right here. Okay, so there is someone here that will confront you about his or her emotions and feelings for you. But you know what I'm seeing right here? That I think you already know. Ano ba yun, Miss Yan? Kung sino yung gusto rito, no, na magpahayag ng damdamin sa'yo or emosyon sa'yo, no, meron ako nakikitang committed siya rito. Yeah. At hindi maayos rito kanilang pagsasama, no, at maaaring hindi sila nag-uusap ngayon. High chance for others of you, when we say committed, malakas rin ang chance na pwedeng kasal na yung makikipag-communicate sa'yo rito ng kanyang emotions and feelings. This is someone here na nakikita ko na pwedeng parte ng pulisya, parte ng mga ahensyang government agencies, baka doon siya nagtatrabaho, okay, but that's not always the case. This is someone here who has a say na may authority. So, pwedeng meron siyang posisyon sa trabaho, doesn't have to be the owner of the company, pero pwedeng yun sa iba. Pero kung sino siya, okay, ang pinakamatinding na nakukuha kong mensahe dito, committed siya at meron siyang isang tao sa tabi niya kung saan pwedeng sila ay naglegda sa marriage contract. Yan. So, kung hindi man siya rito kasal, no, merong isang tao rito, no, kung saan may third party dyan. Yan. But I think, nararamdaman ko na alam mo na meron siyang kakonek na iba. Okay? Kaya ikaw to, no, na parang maaring ramdam mo na gusto ka nitong person na to, no, pero wala ka talaga rito parang magagawa about this one kasi I think one, because you are the empress, wala kang pakialam, no, sa anumang bagay rito, basta your focus here when it comes to stability, money, coins, at sarili mo. Yan, family mo yan, yung sarili mong mundo rito. At lalong wala kang panahon makipag-connect, no, kahit gaano pa kalalim ang emosyon at damdamin sa'yo, no, when it comes to love life, especially kung meron ditong tao na committed na sa iba. May boyfriend, may girlfriend, yan, nakuha ko rito. At yung iba, may asawa na. So, nasa isang sitwasyon, actually, namang problema tong person na to, no? Kaya pala yun agad yung nakuha nating energy kanina, na pag-aagam-agam, okay, at mamimiss daw yung opportunity pag hindi niya to ginawa, okay? So, whoever this individual is, I think this person here is matalino, pero yung talino niya is galing sa utak. You know what I mean? I mean is that, hey, this person here is pwedeng matalino siya o sige, achiever siya pagdating sa school, pero hindi palaging ganon. So, ang ibig kong sabihin doon, this is someone here na ginagamit niya yung utak niya. Alam niya na pwede ka na mawala sa kanya rito kapag pag hindi siya umamin ng emotions and feelings sa'yo. Pero kasi, okay, pwede rin naman ng mga babes, no, dahil nga matalino siya, this person could be strategizing right here, okay? Pwedeng sabihin niya yung totoo sa'yo na meron siya ditong kinakasamang iba, no, pero nakukulog siya sa'yo. Pwedeng ganon, nakukuha ko rin yun. Kasi this is someone here who is giving me the vibe na matapang rin siya. Pero yun nga, no, meron siya ritong commitment sa iba. Yeah. So, whatever the case may be, okay, nakikita ko na hindi ikaw yung nagdadalawang isip dito, kundi siya at yung partner niya. Kasi mukhang hindi sila okay ngayon, no? Actually, ang iniisip ng third party na partner niya is meron siya ritong iba or meron siya ritong pinagkakaabalahan. Okay? Hindi na siya sure para sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So, hindi kita nakikita actually na pumapatol or jumo-join sa ganitong klase ng third party na situation kasi hindi ganun ang Empress energy. Kasi ang isang Empress energy is parang dun ako sa alam kong deserve ako, yung wala akong kahati. Yeah. At saka alam mo, wala ka namang emosyon at feelings dito sa tao na 'to 'no, if this is your reading. Siya, oo, matindi, kaya pala siya naguguluhan 'no. At saka kasi mga babes 'no, malakas talaga ang chance dito, either, kasal na siya or hindi siya kasal basta may isang tao sa tabi niya. Yeah, and I think you know that. At kahit hindi mo 'yun alam, like hindi mo alam yung information na 'yun in this 3D world, I think ramdam mo. Okay, but regardless of that, you're having wish being fulfilled right here. Ikaw yung nag-feel fulfill niyan kasi ikaw yung papunta dyan sa Nine of Cups mo dyan. No? Ibig sabihin, you're grabbing this opportunity and there's something here unfolding. You are on the right track right here, Gemini. So, continue doing what you're doing, okay? So, nakikita ko na kung di mo pa nararamdaman, no, yung state of balanced life, you are about to experience that if this reading is yours. Yan, nakikita ko rito, no, magsisimula ito, no, sa masagana rito, mga babes, no, na dito yung parang nakakabili ka na, no, ng parang, let's just say, kung dati, isang ulam lang, no, isang ulam lang, isang klase ng ulam lang, okay, sa tanghalian tapos sa gabi 'no. Ngayon kaya mo na magdalawa ng ulam, magkaibang ulam, 'yan 'no. Magsisimula sa gano'n 'no, hanggang sa maramdaman mo rito, 'yan 'no. It's like you're counting here your blessing is at dumadami ito ng dumadami. Yeah, you're gonna count right here, many blessings right here coming your way and you will feel balance, okay? And I'm seeing you giving, okay? Hindi naman as in yung malaking i-share mo, no? With other people this Christmas, but I'm seeing you giving gifts with other people. It's like a token of kindness to them, and I'm seeing that you're gonna do that. Yeah, bilang pasasalamat no sa taas sa pagtanggap ng isang wish fulfillment na ito na may kinalaman maaari sa iyong kaperahan, ito ay iyong ibabahagi sa iba ngayong araw ng Kapaskuhan. Wow! So whatever the case may be, pwedeng ikaw yan, magbigay ka ng gift sa iyong mga nephews, nieces, no, or sa'yo ritong family, relatives, or could be friends, yeah, like without even thinking na exchange gift ito. It's like this is yung magbibigay ka ng gift pero you're not gonna expect them to give it back to you. Yeah. So, this is you. Okay? Gusto mo lang rito magpasalamat at ibahagi sa iba kung gaano ka rito ka saya at nagpapasalamat sa biyayang dumadating sa buhay mo. So, yeah, I'm seeing a brighter and mas magaan na susunod na mga buwan at pagpasok ng 2024 sa'yo. Gemini, so claim all of this mga my loves no because I know that you deserve this. So, thank you so much, Arang Love and Life. Annyeong!